Are you a beginner gardener struggling with weeds in your garden? If so, understanding how to manage these pesky invaders is crucial for a thriving, healthy garden. We know how daunting it can be. Well, you're not alone, and there's a simple way to tackle this. First, it's important to understand what weeds are. Weeds are essentially plants out of place, growing where they're not wanted. They compete with your garden plants for water, sunlight, and nutrients, often leading to stunted growth. Knowing your enemy is the first step to defeating it. Now that you understand what weeds are, the next step is prevention. It's crucial to implement methods like mulching, ensuring proper spacing between plants, and regular garden inspections. These steps can significantly reduce weed growth. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. But what do you do if you already have weeds? Well, start by breaking down the process into manageable steps. First, water your garden to soften the soil. This makes pulling out the weeds much easier. Then, with a garden fork or hand trowel, gently pry the weeds out, ensuring you get the roots to prevent regrowth. Early morning, when the soil is still damp, is the best time for this task. With patience and consistency, you can definitely keep your garden weed-free. Overcoming weeds in your garden is not as daunting as it may seem. Remember, understanding weeds, preventing their growth, and removing them effectively are key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!